Hey guys, it's Miss J. Today we're learning about stem and leaf plots. So we've learned about dot plots and frequency tables. So a stem and leaf plot is just another way to represent data. So on the left side we have our stem, and on the right side we have our leaf. The stem is the digit in the tens place, and the leaf is the digit in the ones place. And so when we're on our stem side, our numbers go least to greatest vertically, so up and down. And on our leaf side, we go from least to greatest horizontally, so from left to right. So if the number 23, we have a stem value of 2, so our 2 would go on this side, and a leaf value of 3, so our 3 would go on this side. So 2 line 3 means 23. So we're going to practice this with the question for today from Monday's HISD at Home page. And it says, during the 2019 NFL football season, the Houston Texans scored the following numbers of points in each game. So I'm going to write them down: 26, 30, 0, 10, 28, 13, 27, 10, 53, 31, 23, 27, 26, 7, 20, 28, 24, 24, 23, 14, 22, and 31. So we have all of our numbers there. And now we're going to make a stem and leaf plot based off of that. Or stem and leaf plot, sorry. So we're going to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because we know our biggest number is 53. Now when we have a 0, so 0 means there's a 0 in the tens place and then a number in the ones place. So we do have a 0 here. I'm going to cross it off and put 0. Then I have a 7, and that's it for my zeros. So now I'm going to move on to where I have a 1 in the tens place. So I'm going to highlight all the ones that have a 1 in the tens place in orange. So there I have 10, 13, 10, and 14. So I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start off with a 10. I have my 1, so I'm just going to write a 0. I have another 10, so I write another 0. Then I have 13, so I write a 3. And then 14, so I write a 4. And I'm done with my 10s. Now I'm going to move on to my 20s. And I'll highlight those in yellow. So I have 26, 28, 27, 23, 24, 24, 28, 20, 26, 27, 23, and 22. So I need to put those numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with 20. So I do a 0. Now my next number will be 22. So I just do a 2. Now I have two 23s, so I'm going to write 2 3s. Then 2 4s for 24. Then I move on to 26. I have 1 2, so I'm going to write 2 6s. Then to 27, because I have 2 27s, so I write 2 7s. And then 2 28, so I'm going to write 2 8s. So I'm done with my 20s. Now I need to move on to my 30s, so I'm going to write those in pink. I got 3 of them. My lowest one is 30, so I'm going to do a 0. And then I have 2 31s, so that means I'm going to do 2 1s. Then I go on to 4. I don't have any numbers with a value of 40, so I'm going to skip it and leave it blank because we don't have any of those numbers. Then I go to 53, and I only have 1 53, so I put a 3 here because 5 3 53. You want to make sure to always put a key at the bottom. And we have our stem and leaf plot, so we can answer our questions. Our first question is, how many times did the Houston Texans score 27 points? So I can go to 2 and find how many 7s I have. So there's 2 27s. And then how many times did the Houston Texans score 28 points or more? So we want 28 points or more. So 28, we have 1, 2. This would be more than 28, and this would be more than 28. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So practice making stem and leaf plots, and tomorrow you'll be ready to show all 4 ways of showing data. Have a great day.